In this video, I'm going to show you how to refund a Udemy course. So in order to do that, you have to log into your account and then you'll have to select this option right here which says My Learning. So right here, you'll have to find the list of the courses that you have available in your account. So in my case, this is my course and I can go forward and play it. And right here, after you open the course, you should be able to see at the top right corner this icon with the three dots. And if you tap on that, as you can see, I do not have the option request a refund because this is a free course. But if you bought the course, below these options right here, you should see an option which says refund, uh, request refund. And after that, you'll have to complete the form that shows up and you can submit a refund request in order to get back your credits that you used for that course. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.